Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to describe about the millionaire yoga in your palm. If you have money, financial and money gain in your palm, so how can you analyze that you have millionaire yoga and you will gain much money in your life? There is a first yoga I am describing here, great tangle, about great tangle. What is great tangle? If a person fate line coming from bracelet line and ending at Saturn mount, it's a great yoga of money gain. This type of fate line is very good and first type of fate line that's coming from starting from bracelet line and ending at Saturn mount. If this type of line, fate line, is present in a person's palm, that person will gain much money in his life. Why he will gain much money? Because this is a line that indicates number one fate line, and second, and I was talking about great triangle. What is great triangle? A line joining fate line, a triangle made by fate line, Mercury line and brain line. So see here, this is fate line starting from bracelet line ending at Saturn mount, and this is Mercury line starting at lifeline and going towards Mercury mount. So, and this is brain line. So here two lines joining to brain line and making this great triangle. So this type of person will make much money in his life and can be millionaire yoga in his palm. How this will act? Because brain line, this is brain line, base of this triangle. So this type of person will he has wisdom and good thinking, knowledge, everything he have. So, and second fate line or Saturn line, this is so money, this is itself a money yoga, money gain yoga, this line. And third, this is business line, market going upward towards Mercury mount. This is, and this type of person will have good communication skill, so he can spread his business by his communication skill. So this great triangle will act like this. And second, many person ask with me that if this yoga is in a saint palm, so he will he a good money maker? So say a saint, a real saint, will never collect money for himself, but he give the benefits to society by the collected money. So he will not collect and he will not use that collected money, but he will have so much money. Many person will offer him. So this he, and if this type of person, this type of triangle have in a person palm, that will also a good thinker, good spiritual person. So doesn't matter he have money, he have a spiritual power. So a spiritual power itself more than money. So in a triangle, this triangle in a saint palm will be effect as a spiritual, good spiritual, good thinker and leader of society. He can be leader of society. And second yog is Rahu. If Rahu area have a triangle or cross, if a cross, so this person will make money, unearned money if a person have cross in Rahu area, Rahu mount. And if a person have triangle on Rahu area, this type triangle, this is cross, but we read this two triangle. This is cross in Rahu area, but in palmistry these are two triangles whose base, first triangle base brain line and second triangle base is heart line. So this is cross, but not really a cross, it's a two triangles. If a person have this type of triangle, so this is also a good money yoga. He will make unearned money, he will have unearned money. So it can be his parental money or wife side's money, from her wife side. So this is Rahu yoga. And third is, if a person have sun line at sun mount and his sun mount and Mercury mount is upward, so this type of person will also make much money in his life, and he will be in government job or he will be in job. So this is third yoga, sorry. And fourth yoga is line coming down from center of sun and Mercury mount. A line coming down from center of sun and Mercury. This is the center of sun and Mercury. So if a line is coming down here, so this is also itself a good money yoga. This type of person will also make good money in his life. And fifth, foreign travel, foreign line, foreign money yoga. What is foreign line? If a line at moon mount, a line coming from moon mount and going up to lifeline, or crossing the lifeline and going up to Venus mount. So this type of person will stay in foreign. He will make his house in foreign. And if this is not crossing, so just joining the lifeline, then this type of person have foreign money gain in, he will stay in his country, and foreign money gain will be in his palm, and he will gain money, foreign money, by his knowledge, by any skill he will earn foreign money. So these were the financial gain yoga, and this type of person will be a millionaire yoga, and he will make so much money in his life. So you can read your palm and judge accordingly. Do you have money this type of yoga? So you can. And today onwards I am going to start a gift plan to our viewers, but we will analyze some of persons palm free of cost, who are but there is a rule that person we will select a person who is subscriber of our channel, and second, they like and comment on my video. So we will choose some people amongst you. Only two terms are there: first, subscriber of my channel, and second, he comment and like my videos regularly, so I will select some person and analyze their palm free of cost. So we will contact the selected person and proceed accordingly. So if you want to participate in this, so please subscribe my channel and comment and like my videos, and see how many people who will select, and I will analyze those persons free of cost, those persons palm free of cost. So it's all about today. Have a nice day, take care, be safe, bye bye.